Penis.
Oh. Oh.
Okay. The vision, the argument. Because, in marriage and in life, when you give birth and everything, there are consequences, right? So, in that period, she has a problem, and so she created cactus. Even her heart, we have also painted with heart full of cactus. This one is the first exhibit. This is how the real Regina was born. Even these artists. She came from there, they were similar. This is there. It's one of the most soft nature. The wave that she found in this country. And we had also, she was not only sculpture, we had a magnificent exhibit. She was only a restorer. So she loved the way of manipulating and touching the material. Then well here, H.R. Ocampo, Betsy Westendorf, Olaso. This one was my first exhibit. That's how I entered into art. This is Isabel Diaz, my sister-in-law, who painted this. Gloria Diaz with the daughter of the artist. This was for a calendar. Population explosion, not population, world population. The United Nations gave her the charge. She won to design the calendar of the population in the 1960s. No, 70s. Yeah, we had the one there. I don't know what it is about. Yeah, this one are early Laura Bien, Arturo Luz, De Italia. Yeah. We have the collages. Yeah. Collages of Alpha, Sapuri, Sanso. This is a very interesting book also. This is Cesar Rigassi. You look at the cubist. When you look into it and you examine the work, you see the ways constructed. We had cubistic in the Philippines, but different from the cubism of Braque and Picasso. Picasso and Braque was the cubistic inside the cubit. Here, the Filipino, Rigassi, Anansala, the cubic, they're in the people, cutting the shadow, the you see here, Cesar Rigassi, there are a lot of geometrical form. This is Aguilar Plus, also collages on wood. He also Filipino, but also lived a lot abroad, like Sanso, lived in Paris. He was here through the very beautiful period of the war period, and here, but here you can see also in the book, you have this one, she was talking about Al-Qaeda. See, Al-Qaeda.